Stop by and take a look at the 2018 C-Class. Standing the test of time means never standing still. The C-Class is a stylish performer that embodies sophistication and intelligence and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, one owner, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.